Today I'm going to take you through how to achieve the NARS long-lasting, radiant complexion with some of our cult classics. Once your skin is prepped with NARS Skin, then we're going to go forward with the 4 steps to complete this look. I'm going to start with the Radiance Primer SPF 35. This primer gives a beautiful radiance to the skin and prolongs the wear of your complexion products. Start in the center of the face and blend outward, using your hands to warm. Now I'm going to apply the new Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, which is a full coverage foundation, so a little goes a long way. I start by shaking the formula, and I use the smallest amount, using my fingertips to warm, and then blend the product directly into the skin, starting in the center and blending outwards. This is the area normally have more redness and discoloration. What I love about this product is that it's so lightweight and it blends so effortlessly to the skin. It's absolutely seamless. I love the radiance that this foundation gives, and it wears for 16 hours. I'm gonna apply NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer where needed. It's the perfect pair with a Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. Radiant Creamy Concealer is perfect for brightening under the eyes. It blends out to a seamless finish and is crease-proof. The formula contains hyaluronic acid, which is ideal for under-eye areas, which can sometimes get dry. I'll use the concealer anywhere on the face that has additional stubborn redness or dark spots. For a perfecting touch, I'm finishing the look with the light reflective setting powders. I like to press it under the eye, onto the cheekbones, the forehead, down the bridge of the nose to add dimension. This product will actually seal the makeup in, and the formula will never look cakey. I love that you can get the benefit of a powder without losing the radiance to the skin. The complexion looks radiant, dimensional, and lasts all day.